The birthplace of Lord Rama. This is the city of Ayodhya. A lot of history over the years. Visit place if you are in this part of the country, Uttar Pradesh. We decided to take a darshan of Lord Rama as we were very close at Gorakpur. Day of Moto, Nepal. Stay tuned for one exciting day here in Uttar Pradesh. Before headed to the temple, we had to take a quick dip in the holy Sarayu river.
Today is the day we are heading home. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. This is Djmahaneet. Right now we are at Ayodhya taking the darshan of Lord Rama. New to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. This is where we are staying at Gorakpur, Ramada.
So we're finally off from Gorakhpur. That's it from Moto, Nepal. Stay tuned for our journey home to Bangalore.
We're leaving now. We are exiting from Gorakhpur right now. So happy to head home.
How was the ride?
Ride was excellent, fantastic, superb. 2 different terrains in one place.
Anything more to say to Moto, Nepal?
Moto Nepal. Keep on doing Nepal. Definitely do Moto Nepal.
Pawan?
Yeah, get used to that thali. What is that thali called? Thakali. Get used to Nepal. Manang and Lower Mustang, definitely doable. Except the airport experience now. Flight is delayed like thrice. First do Manang and then do Mustang.
So, Mr. Venu, how was your Moto Nepal
It was
experience?
one of the awesome trips, and it was an treacherous trip as well, and it's one of the best rides of my life. That too with DJ, it was more fun. Thank you.
So, Sandeep, how was your journey with the gang and me?
Awesome it was. Really missed the coming one. We had a wonderful time, great riding and great bonding with everyone. This is awesome. We're really going to miss it.
Memorable one.
Memorable one. We're going to miss it until the next one. Awesome riding.
How was it experience staying with me?
As usual, awesome.
Thank you. So Yogi, how was the experience of Moto Nepal?
Yet another amazing ride, along with DJ and the crew. Looking forward to much more. This was one of the toughest and one of the most enjoyable and memorable rides. Amazing scenery. Thanks to Nepal.
Cheers. Thank you. So we have Srinidhi also here. How was your experience of Moto Nepal?
Moto Nepal was amazing. Amazing terrain, amazing rides, amazing riders, no casualties, very happy.
आज के दिन
लोग अयोध्या रामनगर हनुमानगढ़ी दर्शन करते हुए
Thank-
गोरखपुर आए हम लोग।
Thank you.
ठीक, ओके।
We have Shri Kirti here. So Kirti, how was the trip so far?
Very memorable, very filled with a lot of experiences, good, bad, and everything goes right into the memory, not just the memory card. Jai Shri Ram.
एक ये चाहिए ना फंडा लड़ाई करने के लिए।
Well, after a beautiful darshana of Lord Rama at Ayodhya, we headed to our airport in Gorakpur to head towards Bengaluru. A fantastic Moto Nepal it has been so far. Enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making the same. Give me a thumbs up if you like the entire series of Moto Nepal.
Well, finally reached home after a hectic day, riding all the way from Pokhara, then reaching Gorakhpur. We did Ayodhya, and then finally, after a long delayed flight, reached home late. It was almost 10 p.m. when I reached home. 10:30 p.m. when I reached home. I had dinner and just going to crash for the day. Thank you very much for watching this entire Moto Nepal series. Hope you enjoyed this whole episodes of Moto Nepal. Do stay tuned for my future rides. Looking forward to your comments, suggestions, and thumbs up on my videos. Until the next one, it's going to be a long adieu and goodbye. Thank you very much for watching once again.